How to teach young children healthy eating habits in a world full of junk food, quick foods, and fast foods? Well, in today's episode, I'm going to share with you 10 must-do, easy-to-do activities that you can start doing with young children today. If you're new here, my name is Brianna, and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we are all about empowering you with resources for young children. So if you enjoy content like this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Now, before we get into our 10 easy-to-do activities when you're teaching healthy eating, we have our book of the day, which is Healthy Eating with Liam, the Smart Rabbit. And we have the author herself who's going to share a quick little snippet of what her book is about. And guys, you want to have this book on your shelf.
My name is Azalia, and I'm the author of the book Healthy Eating with Liam, the Smart Rabbit. I wrote the book in response to my daughter constantly asking for sweets and refusing to eat more fruits and vegetables. I wanted to educate her and help her understand that fruits and vegetables contain different vitamins that are our friends and are great for us in the long run. And at the same time, the candy that you see on the market a lot of times contain harmful ingredients that are simply bad for us. So this is how Liam was born. I wanted something fun, something rhymed, something that she could relate to. So in the first part of the book, Liam learns about vitamins. In the second part of the book, he crawls under the fence and gets into a real candy factory where he sees all the colorings and all the preservatives are used in manufacturing of candy. Then Liam decides that he's gonna eat fresh fruits and vegetables that are about because he wants a happy and healthy life for himself. After reading this story, my daughter started choosing healthier alternatives and making more informed decisions. Check it out for yourself and see what you think.
What a wonderful book! I will make sure that I link Liam, Healthy Eating with Liam the Smart Rabbit below in today's show notes. But let's get right into our 10 easy to do activities when teaching healthy eating. So the first activity is start a garden. When children are a part of the process, they are more likely to eat it. Tip number 2 is make smoothies. Get bananas, blueberries, apples, take them to your class. Do it in your home as a family. Have the children put it inside the blender and they are going to love it. Tip number 3 is the healthy or not bag. So you're going to fill a bag. You can fill it with recycled containers from actual food that you would get from the store, or you can use play food and you can, or pictures, and you can have children pull out the bag and you can say healthy or not. Tip number 4 is take a trip to the grocery store. Encourage children to name the different foods. You could talk about food groups, and you can also go on a scavenger hunt. Tip number 5 is have children make a healthy snack with you. Whether you are a teacher or a parent, you guys can do snack together, or you can make a healthy meal together. Again, when children are a part of the process, they are more likely to eat it. Tip number 7 is take a trip to an orchard, or tip number 8, take a trip to a farm so they can see where their food is coming from. And if the farm or the orchard allows it, allow children to pick it, wash it, and go through the process of preparing their fruit or their vegetable. Tip number 9 is the My Plate food collage. So as you've been talking about the different foods and the different food groups, get some recycled magazines that have foods in them, pictures of foods, and encourage children to create a food collage using a plastic plate, and they can cut and paste it on their plate. And then the last tip, which is my favorite tip, is read books about healthy eating, and not just healthy eating, but really healthy lifestyle. The more children are, the more that we reinforce it as parents and educators, children will see that healthy eating not only is good for them, but it helps them stay strong so they can play and have fun with their friends. So let me know right now in the comments below, which activity do you plan to do? And Are you planning to get Liam Healthy Eating with Liam the Smart Rabbit? Let me know, what did you think about the book of the day? I'll make sure that I leave that in today's show notes. And if you enjoy getting tips, tools, and just strategies, activity ideas, book ideas, make sure that you join the club. It's totally free to join. I send you additional tips and tools right to your email box. So go to www.brownbearbookclub.com and you can get additional tips, tools, and strategies. And if you've been having a tough day, remember that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I am praying for you, mama. I'm praying for you, teacher or dad. You've got this. Take on the day. And hey, healthy eating always starts with us, the parent or the teacher. When we model it, that always inspires children as well. So have a good day, guys. Bye.